You know, young rich. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot box. Cooking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey! I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Woo, 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 woo. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. I'm a dog. Beat her walls loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes.
My good buddy asked me, buddy, why don't you drink? And I said, it's probably better I don't. He said, there's a lot of girls in this here bar that we could chase. I said, trust me, it's probably better I don't. Cause I used to be an all-nighter, I'm a hell of a backslider. I've been around the block more than a time or two. And I can promise you, I've drank my weight in booze. And I've been known to get on stage and nothing but my booze. So it's better I don't. Just believe me, I will. I get looser than a line on a fishing reel. Debbie, don't think I won't. Take it all off, turn it all on. Get buck wild, hell bent stone. It's better I don't. Well, I was wearing the cuffs when the warden said, just tell me the truth. And I said, sir, it's probably better I don't. And I was up on the stand and the judge said, just tell me what happened, man. And I said, buddy, it's probably better I don't. But since you asked, I was minding my own business. At 105, I was county road cruising out, running the blue lights. I was on the home stretch, I was rounding that last curve. Well, I ran out of gas and that's when I learned it's better I don't. Just believe me, I will. I get looser than a line on a fishing reel. Debbie, don't think.
On esmaspäeva hommik, pikk nädal ootab ees. Ma olen selles ringis, kõik läheb sama tee. Teisipäeval lõunaks on mul tõsine rutiin. Ma hüüan mõttes appi, ma tahan ära siit. Kolmapäev venib kui tipptunni tramm, siis neljapäev lõpuks on käes. Astuda jäänud vaid viimane samm ja nädala lõppu ma näen, sest täna rokin väljas. Muredest tühi on terve linn.
öösel käinud, oli ula peal, mälupilt pigem hägune, aga tundus, et oli armunud stripparisse, sa juba tead, selle munapea kumapadjal helkis, öö läbi võõraste ees eurodega kelkis, rääkis sellest, kuidas tema nagu metsarajal ja iga hetk ta tõuseb nagu telkmis ja ta rääkis igast jama, mida ei pea korrutama, polnud ammu klubis käinud, aga näed, post kulub, nüüd lavale läks Gloria, algas kisakoor ja tuled pandi hämaramaks ja muss ulub, ta peas olid juuksed, jalas olid jalad, kui saamu motiive ilgelt tõlgendada tahad, ta puusad liikusid nagu õlitatud jalgrattakett, nagu esimest korda sööks mett, nagu ta puusad liikusid nagu igiliikur, nagu kiirabi piip-piip pilkur, nagu see metallist ketas vanaema vaibal, mis lahti tegi puusad, oppa, kus mu pilk on, pilk liigub nagu kilpkon, sinna kus 8 jala tint on, minu kasuks räägib fakt, et mu telefoni taustal õnneks parajasti 8 jala tindi pilt on, nüüd enne kui see tume pilv, mis mind saadab, hakkab sadama, ma lähen koju magama ja ärkan teadmisega, et tuksub kell kui aja süda ja naisi võib niisama ka vaadata, niisama ka vaadata, vaadata ka saamata, loen sind nagu raamatut